At www.reluctorrings.com we manufacture replacement reluctor rings. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to actually fit a new reluctor ring to the existing shaft that you've got on your vehicle. We've taken this drive shaft out and we will actually show you how to fit a new ring onto this shaft. They normally break due to rust building up on the shaft, and I can show you that's got a crack in the existing ring. So we're going to take this ring off, which is what normally happens. So we're going to take this ring off due to the fact that the corrosion, the rust has built up on the shaft, expanded the ring and they break, or you lose a tooth, or there's lots of other different reasons as well. But they're the main reasons where it's got a crack in it and it's showing up on your vehicle as a fault. So the tools we're going to need today are, you need a quality ring, which we manufacture here at www.reluctorrings.com. You need a file, possibly a screwdriver, a hammer, an aluminium drift or wooden drift of some type, some emery cloth, decent quality emery cloth, a wire brush, pair of pliers, and a heat. Basically, we're using an oxyacetylene welding torch to heat the ring up. But you can use a plumber's blowtorch, or you can even heat the ring up in the oven, freeze the shaft actually in a big freezer, and that will work just the same. Basically, the procedure is to actually warm the ring up, and it will go onto the shaft, shrink onto the shaft, and make a permanent fixture for yourself and make an adequate repair. Okay, so to start, we're going to knock the old existing ring off, which is pretty easy to come because the crack's so big on this type. But basically, you just get your aluminium drift and you tap the ring equally on both sides, and it will drop off. That's the same on pretty much most tooth type of ring on a normal drive shaft. So, discarding the ring, what we need to do now is clean up the shaft. This is really important. This shaft is quite clean, but we need to make that pristine. That if you can do the preparation on the shaft to make it so clean, then it makes the job so much easier, so much quicker, and you don't have any messing about when the ring is warm and you're trying to actually fit it on. So we'll get some wire brush and we'll clean up around the shaft. Make sure you only take off the built-up corrosion. Do not take off the parent material, otherwise the ring will be a little bit of a sloppy fit. So we'll continue to do this with the wire brush just to clean off a lot of the loose stuff. What you're looking for is a pretty good surface there, just to fit the new ring to. Like I said, this one's a pretty good one. But then you get a bit of emery cloth. We're showing you how to do this today with a few basic tools. Yeah, we've got a nice clean surface there now for a new ring to be dropped onto. That's basically all we need to do. If you just get a rag. Okay, we'll clean the surface now, just to get any loose bits of debris and rust off the surface. Ready for fitting. Okay, so now we're going to actually warm up the new ring. We manufacture these at www.reluctorrings.com out of good quality steel. Then we're going to heat that up and then we'll drop it on, and what will happen is the expansion will let you fit the ring, and then it will cool down and actually shrink fit onto that shaft to make that permanent repair so it does not move. Okay. Wear suitable safety equipment, gloves when you're using it for the hot surface, heating up the ring. Okay, using our heat source, either acetylene or plumber's blowtorch or anything of that ilk, what we're going to do is heat the ring to a blue colour I'll show you the changes in colour. What you've got to do is have a nice suitable surface to actually heat the ring up on. So what we do is keep the actual flame moving around. It'll gradually warm up the ring. It'll take a little while, but just keep making sure you move the flame all the time around the ring. And what happens is you can gradually see the ring as you heat it up, gradually see a change in colour. First it goes straw colour, which is just past now, and now it's starting to reach a blue colour, which means it's of an adequate heat to actually drop onto the actual shaft. So as soon as we get to this situation, nice blue colour all the way around the actual ring, it's ready for fitting. With a set of pliers, the ring will drop onto the actual shaft, and if you just get your aluminium drift, you can drift the warm ring into its home position. Just checking that it goes home all the way down. Some of them have a shoulder, some of them just have to make sure that they go back to the original place of your ring. Okay, we'll come back to the shaft now. It's been a period of about 10-15 minutes. You can touch the ring, it doesn't take that long to cool, and it's made a really good bind and secured onto that shaft. You can't spin it by hand. That is a really good adequate repair. That will have shrunk down onto the shaft now and just done just exactly the same as manufactured.